All right,
He
so,
was jailed, but I was in jail.
all right, so here's the thing. I'm not doing this intensive supervision thing.
I understand.
So you have a choice. I can send you to prison for 3 years, or either you're still going into custody and you're doing the ISF.
This case dives into the troubled life of Jacqueline Wells, a mother, a repeat probation violator, and a woman battling drug addiction. Today, the court must decide. Should she serve time behind bars, or does she deserve one last chance at redemption? Stick around, because what unfolds here is a shocking clash between second chances and harsh reality. And trust me, you won't believe how the judge weighs her honesty against her repeated failures.
Court is calling 2024 CR 2752, State of Texas versus Roberto Rosales. Thank you. You know how it is. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. Thank you. And up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, yes?
I apologize. I thought I was getting charged with the drug and then that one was getting dumped or getting removed.
Sorry, and that.
Just be clear because she has some.
I apologize. I thought there was two charges and one of them was being removed, or I don't know if I'm supposed to say that.
No, what we're focusing on now is the fact that do you realize that you're pleading to an evading arrest detention with the vehicle?
Yes.
I mean, you're very slow with your answer on that. So do you know what you're here for today?
Yes, ma'am. An evading arrest and there was a drug charge as well.
All right, so I want you to listen to my
Yes,
questions.
ma'am.
All right, do you understand that you're about to enter into a plea on an evading arrest with a
Oh.
detention vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
I
so
apologize.
listen, no. Just listen to my questions. All right, by indictment in this cause number that you're about to enter a plea into, it's an evading arrest detention with a vehicle. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. Yeah.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, are you employed?
I actually have a job interview right now,
What, doing what?
selling insurance.
Oh. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I have 3 sons.
What are their ages?
15, 10, and 4 years old.
Do they live with you?
No, ma'am. Two of them live in Eagle Pass.
All right. When's the last time you've seen them?
It's been a good while. I'd say about a year and a half.
All right. Why are you evading in a vehicle? That's
I-
very dangerous.
Yes, ma'am. I understand I have a lot of traffic warrants, and I did know that I had something on me that I shouldn't have. And
Well,
I
here's the thing.
Panicked, and it was a terrible mistake.
You know what ends up happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have a felony instead of maybe somebody having you to pay traffic tickets.
I understand.
All right. Can you tell me what the court cost is on a third-degree felony, please, evading? All right. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I will come out with some positive for marijuana.
All right. What else?
That's it, actually.
No, I mean, are you backtracking, trying to
No,
figure out
I'm-
what you've used in the past?
Yeah, I was thinking if I would test 30 for cocaine, but
You just speak up.
okay. I was thinking if I would test dirty for cocaine, but I will not.
When's the last time you
It's
used?
been about 10 days.
All right. How often are you using cocaine?
I'd say maybe 2 times a month. Before it was pretty bad, but I've got it pretty under control now.
All right. And who is Abigail?
That's my daughter that passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
All right. So I'm going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Ms. Abrams, do you have any violent history in your past?
No, ma'am, not in my past. I am currently. Oh, yeah, no, I don't.
Right.
Just got 2 cases dismissed. For something that was violent, but it was dismissed. I don't know how else to say it. I don't want to
Okay.
kind of tangle myself over my words. They just got dismissed like 4 days ago.
All right. In another county?
No, ma'am, it was here.
All right. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. All right, from here on, we can go off the record from here on out.
This moment is jaw-dropping. Jacqueline openly admits to using meth and alcohol while on probation, an admission that could easily seal her fate. Judges rarely hear such blunt honesty in these situations. But here's the twist. Her honesty may actually work in her favor, should the court punish her for failing or reward her for telling the truth. What do you think? Does brutal honesty buy leniency in a courtroom, or should the rules always come first?
Everything you do, you need to ask yourself, could this potentially result in me going to prison for up to 10 years? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, are you the same Roberto Javier Rosales who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 2752 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on March 5th, 2024?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 1 on or about the 19th day of March 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Roberto Javier Rosales committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
That's true, Your Honor.
Your Honor, state will waive the other violation.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am. It's true.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is that proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, it's to alter and amend to include IOP. Additionally, the defendant is going to go take a plea in this court on the criminal trespass case.
I thought it
Or criminal
was the mischief case that you waived because there's restitution and you'll pay that restitution as part of that misdemeanor probation.
All right, probation.
Judge, what's listed on the court summary for probation is revocation. The justification is that he reoffended 2 weeks after being granted probation, showing continual engagement in criminal activity while on probation. I would have to say that he did not report to the initial office visit. We granted probation 3/5/24 and picked up the new cases on 3/19/24.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, is there something you wish to say?
I
Want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roberto Javier Rosales Jr.
All right, so why are you charged with criminal trespass?
I was looking to get some help from somebody I didn't know. I was being chased by some bad people.
No, get some help from someone where?
I was 2 blocks away from my house. There were some people, it was over a game of pool, that were chasing me. And I wanted them to call the police.
So then where does and you didn't plead true to it, but my understanding so where does the criminal mischief come in?
As I
You're
was
looking at me, but.
Oh, yes.
as I was knocking on the door, I opened the door. I was knocking on the door and I opened the door and I asked them to call the cops.
No, if you open a door, doesn't result in criminal mischief unless you.
This is no ordinary lecture. The judge strips away legal formality and speaks directly to Jacqueline's survival, warning that her next relapse could literally be her last. Rarely do we see judges balancing punishment with such raw emotion. It's powerful, it's personal, and it highlights the human side of justice. But here's the tough question. Should judges step into the role of motivator and life coach, or stick to the law as written?
You damage it.
Oh, I damaged the door when I opened it.
There was
Yes,
a
ma'am.
window on the door that wound up, that was damaged, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
The reason this was set for contested today was because he was able to articulate to me very viable defenses. He's chosen to forego that and enter pleas of true. He had the defense, in my opinion, perhaps of necessity. If he was in fear for his life and being chased by someone, he's seeking shelter, help, and someone to call the authorities. And of course, criminal mischief has to be committed intentionally or knowingly. It can't be done accidentally.
So here's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you ever report to probation?
Yes, ma'am. I did. I went to That's why I didn't mean to interrupt, but I went to orientation, and then the following on April 1st is when I was supposed to have my first meeting with my probation officer,
All
He
right,
was
so
jailed.
but I was in jail.
all right, so here's the thing. I'm not doing this intensive supervision thing.
I understand.
So you have a choice. I can send you to prison for 3 years, or either you're still going into custody and you're doing the ISF.
May I have a recess to discuss what ISF means? Because I'm sure he doesn't.
Sure. All right. So we'll come back at 1:30.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll take the 3 years.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right. Then the court will grant the motion. The court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. All right, good luck to you. When you are released, if you need something and I'm here, you can always come back to the court, okay?
God bless you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Oh, God bless you too.
In the end, the court rejects the simple 10-month sentence and instead places Jacqueline into a felony drug court program, giving her 2 more years under supervision but with the possibility of early release if she turns her life around. This decision reflects a deeper truth about justice. Sometimes prison time isn't the answer, and rehabilitation offers the only real hope for change. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.